Right, this is something very different for us on JHO. I have conned, made, persuaded, me dragged, kicking and screaming, Karen Veck. Now, Karen Veck runs a website called www.simplysequins.co.uk, where she sells a fabulous range of sequins. She also runs a shop not very far from where I live called the French Knot Studio. But what Karen is here today to do today is to show us how to rug make with a bodger or a podger or what have you.
This is a bodger.
That's a bodger.
There are 3 different tools. Today I'm only going to be using a bodger.
A bodger.
That's a prodder.
Right.
That's a hook, but that's a bodger. And you
so
do
I can prod my bodger with the hook or...
Yeah, so you do progging with a bodger.
Progging with a bodger.
That's what we're going to do today.
So, do you bodge your progging if you prog with a bodger?
I imagine you would do.
Probably would do. Right, this is something I must confess that I think would be very useful to know because I get so many scraps left. What you do with them. There's a limit as to how many quilts you can make, and I hate to throw away the fabric. So the piece you've got in front of you, that one, what is it and how did it come into being?
That is actually made out of old jeans.
Really? So my old jeans I can cut up?
1 pair of mine, 2 from a charity shop,
right.
and I've mixed it in with some shirting fabric just to give it a bit of a lift.